Last July, my old window AC died right in the middle of a record-breaking heat wave. Desperate for relief, I rushed online, only to be overwhelmed by endless BTU ratings, confusing specs, and mixed reviews that made choosing the right model feel impossible. After wasting money on a loud, leaky unit, I decided to test the entire portable lineup from BLACK+DECKER myself to find the absolute best options. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioners based on real, hands-on testing. Stick around, because our number one choice completely redefined home comfort for me. 5. BLACK+DECKER BPT08WTB. This is a highly compact, entry-level portable air conditioner rated at 8,000 BTUs under the traditional ASHRAE system, which translates to roughly 5,000 BTUs under the newer DOE standard. When I unboxed this model to test it in a small 10 by 10 home office, its lightweight frame and integrated side handles made it incredibly easy to move around. It is clearly designed for tight living situations like a college dorm room, a small bedroom, or a home studio where floor space is at an absolute premium. Looking closer at its features, this unit offers 3 distinct modes of operation, functioning as a cooler, a fan, and a dehumidifier capable of pulling up to 60 pints of moisture out of the air every 24 hours. The top-mounted electronic control panel features a clean LED display that allows you to adjust the temperature down to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. It also includes a full-function remote control and a basic 24-hour programmable timer, giving you standard baseline control over your immediate environment without needing to constantly get up from your desk or bed. However, during my hands-on testing, I quickly noticed a few significant drawbacks that you should keep in mind before buying. The build quality feels noticeably more plastic-heavy than the brand's premium offerings, and the included window slider bracket can be quite finicky to seal perfectly without resorting to extra foam or duct tape. More importantly, when the compressor kicks in to start cooling, the noise level spikes quite drastically, creating a loud, rhythmic hum that can easily disrupt your focus during video calls or keep light sleepers awake at night. Ultimately, the BPT08WTB serves as a decent, budget-friendly stopgap if you just need immediate cooling in a tiny space and don't mind a louder environment. 4. BLACK+DECKER BPACT05SM. This unit delivers 8,500 BTUs of cooling power, matching up nicely with small to medium rooms up to 350 square feet. Visually, it sports a slightly more streamlined look than the previous model, and the floor casters glide smoothly across hardwood and thin carpet alike. I set this unit up in a standard bedroom to see if the addition of wireless technology truly elevates the day-to-day user experience. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the integrated Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to link the unit directly to the dedicated BLACK+DECKER smartphone app on both iOS and Android devices. This smart integration enables full voice compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, meaning you can adjust your room's climate using simple voice commands. Beyond the smart ecosystem, the unit features an auto water evaporation system, an intuitive LED control interface, and adjustable horizontal louvers to help direct the outward airflow manually. Despite the convenience of smart controls, my testing revealed some frustrating quirks that dragged down its overall performance score. The initial app pairing process proved to be a major headache, often failing to detect the unit unless my smartphone was forced exclusively onto a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, which can baffle less tech-savvy users. Additionally, the unit only features 2 cooling speeds and 2 fan speeds, which feels quite limiting when you want to fine-tune the airflow. And the fan tends to push air in a narrow, rigid stream rather than spreading it evenly across the room. In practice, the BPCT05SM is a fascinating option for tech enthusiasts who absolutely demand app control, but it requires some patience to get running smoothly. The removable, washable filter slides out effortlessly from the back, making routine maintenance quick and easy to manage twice a month. 3. BLACK+DECKER BPT10HWTB. This heavy-duty model boasts a robust 10,000 BTUs of cooling capacity under traditional ratings, but its true claim to fame is the integrated heat pump mode. When I wheeled this model into a larger bonus room for testing, I immediately felt a massive leap forward in build quality, structure stability, and overall air output volume compared to the smaller units. The 4-in-1 functionality completely transforms how you view portable climate control, allowing you to seamlessly transition from intense summer cooling to cozy winter heating with a single machine. During my multi-day evaluation, the cooling mode rapidly brought down the temperature of a 450 square foot space, while the heating function provided an impressive, steady blanket of warmth without drying out the room excessively. This makes it an exceptional choice for uninsulated garages, converted attics, or finished basements that suffer from wild temperature swings throughout the changing seasons. On top of its impressive thermal versatility, the dehumidification mode on this unit is exceptionally strong, capable of pulling an incredible volume of moisture out of damp air to eliminate that sticky, uncomfortable summer feeling. The top control panel features crisp, responsive electronic buttons paired with a muted white LED display that looks incredibly modern and subtle in any room decor. It also features an advanced sleep mode that gradually adjusts the target temperature throughout the night to save energy, while keeping the operating noise down to a very manageable level. Installation is remarkably straightforward, thanks to a heavy-duty window installation kit that fits both vertical and horizontal window openings securely with minimal effort. The rolling casters are built to handle the extra weight of the heating components, allowing you to move the unit between rooms without straining your back. 2. BLACK+DECKER BPP05WTB. This model delivers 8,000 BTUs of traditional cooling power and is rated for rooms up to 350 square feet, though its engineering feels vastly superior to standard budget models. From the moment I started testing this unit, it became clear that Black & Decker put a massive amount of engineering focus into noise reduction, airflow distribution, and sleek aesthetics. The absolute highlight of the BPP05WTB is its up and down auto air swing feature, which actively oscillates the motorized louvers to circulate cool air uniformly throughout your living space. Instead of blasting a freezing jet of air in one static direction, this auto swing mechanism mimics the natural airflow of a central air system, eliminating hot spots and cooling the entire room much faster. The unit also features an advanced Follow Me remote control, which houses a built-in thermal sensor that communicates directly with the AC base station to adjust cooling based on the temperature exactly where the remote is sitting. Nighttime performance is where this model truly shines, operating at an incredibly quiet 52 decibels even on its highest fan setting. When I tested it in sleep mode, the compressor operated with a remarkably smooth, muffled purr that lacked any of the harsh vibrations or jarring clicks found in lesser units. This ultra-quiet profile, combined with the ability to completely dim the top-mounted LED display lights, makes it the undisputed best choice for light sleepers, nurseries, or home offices where absolute quiet is necessary. Maintenance is an absolute breeze with its highly efficient bucket-less, self-evaporating design that utilizes the captured moisture to cool the internal condenser coils, boosting overall energy efficiency. The window kit comes fully loaded with a premium foam seal, a durable slider bracket, and a wide 5.9-inch exhaust hose that stays locked firmly in place. 1. BLACK+DECKER BPA-CT14WT. This is an absolute beast of a machine, packing a massive 14,000 BTUs of raw ash ray cooling power designed to easily handle large spaces up to 700 square feet. When I subjected this model to my most demanding tests in a sprawling, sun-drenched, open-concept living room and kitchen area, its performance was nothing short of spectacular, proving why it dominates the portable cooling market. The sheer cooling velocity of the BPA-CT14WT is unmatched, utilizing a heavy-duty rotary compressor and a massive front-vented airflow outlet to drop ambient temperatures by 10 degrees in a matter of minutes. Its 3-in-1 design combines ultra-powerful cooling, a high-velocity 3-speed fan, and a commercial-grade dehumidifier that keeps large, humid living areas feeling crisp and completely dry. Whether you are dealing with soaring midsummer temperatures or trying to cool down a large apartment with high ceilings, this unit delivers uncompromised, relentless cooling power. Despite its immense power, the user interface remains incredibly elegant and simple to navigate, featuring a premium top-mounted LED display and a comprehensive full-function remote control. The build quality feels exceptionally rugged and durable, built with high-grade components that feel solid to the touch and resist vibrating even when operating at maximum capacity. The included window adapter and an extra long exhaust hose assemble seamlessly, creating a tight, energy-efficient seal that prevents outdoor heat from bleeding back into your freshly cooled sanctuary. What truly sets the BPA CT14WT apart and makes it our top pick is its incredible reliability and maximum efficiency when tackling large, difficult-to-cool environments. It perfectly balances raw, industrial-strength performance with consumer-friendly features, durable rolling casters, and a highly effective self-evaporating system that handles heavy humidity without breaking a sweat.